Did you know you can make aroma stones at home in two beautiful styles, soft matte or crystal clear? Today, I'll show you both, step by step. These DIY aroma stones are perfect for closets, drawers, bathrooms, or even your car. They're easy to make, smell amazing, and also make great gifts. For the matte aroma stones, you'll need 1 cup baking soda, a half cup of cornstarch, a half cup of white vinegar, 15 to 20 drops essential oil, and optional food coloring. First, add 1 cup baking soda and half a cup of cornstarch into a mixing bowl. Mix them together. Now, slowly add half a cup white vinegar. Don't worry about the bubbles, that's completely normal. Mix until you get a thick, smooth paste. Add about 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil, and a few drops of food coloring if you'd like. Press the mixture firmly into silicone molds or cookie cutters. Let these air dry for 1 to 2 days or bake at low heat, about 80 degrees Celsius, for 1 hour until hard. For crystal aroma stones, we'll need 200 grams clear glycerin soap base, 10 to 15 drops essential oil, silicone molds, optional dried flowers, and optional alcohol spray. Cut the soap base into small cubes. Melt slowly using microwave or double boiler until fully liquid. Let it cool slightly, then add your essential oils. Pour slowly into silicone molds. If you have rubbing alcohol, spray lightly to remove bubbles. Let sit for 1 to 2 hours until completely hard. And here they are, soft matte aroma stones and crystal clear aroma stones. Use them in drawers, closets, bathrooms, or your car for a gentle, natural fragrance. Save this video and try it yourself. Thank you for watching.